Hello, y'all. This is Todd from Report Your Seaux. How y'all doing this evening? Well, we didn't film on the sawmill today. Got old Wayne sitting over here. We got us some ribs cooking. We're sitting out here enjoying life, relaxing a little bit. Let me show y'all what we got going on.
We're fixing to open the lid and show y'all how we spend our afternoons after a hard day's work. Doing up a little cooking. Ain't gonna be long, we fixing to be pigging out, people.
Some baby back ribs, pork ribs. Put them in the slow cooker for a little while, and we got them on the pit. They've been seasoned down. They're seasoned down with Camp Dog seasoning. Guys, if y'all go down and look in my promotion down in the bottom in the description, there's some Camp Dog seasoning. You get 20% off of it. And guys, you can't beat that. That's some very good Cajun seasoning if you like Cajun seasoning. It's got more pepper, more garlic, and less salt. Some good stuff. I introduced it to Wayne a while back. And what do you think about it, Wayne?
Hey, I gotta up and tell you, I'm ready for some more of it because that beats Tony any day of the week. I love my Camp Dog seasoning. I don't even use Tony's no more. That's all I use is my Camp Dog, because that's the top of the line seasoning. It's perfect. Y'all need to try it.
Guys, y'all look down in the description. There'll be a link in there. You get 20% off. Y'all need to try that seasoning. It's Camp Dog. There's a regular and there's original and there's a mild blend. The original has got a little bit more pepper in it. It's a little hotter. If you can't handle the heat at all, and don't get me wrong, it's not hot, but you can add more seasoning to your food and bring the heat up on it, and it's not salty. Actually, I got to add a little bit of salt to some of the food. Depends on what we put. But the mild, you can put all you want in there. It doesn't get too hot on you. It's in the description in the bottom, guys. 20% off. That's what we're fixing to eat.
That's it. We're fixing to do it up with it.
Hello, y'all. Well, it's the next day. We're out here sawing. Guys, I'm going to show you the mess that we got over here. It's been raining every day, but yesterday evening we got a monsoon, so it come down probably 2 inches in about 30 minutes, an hour. It flooded us. I mean, it come down heavy. But guys, I had a guy call us the other day, and we went and picked up a log in Oakdale. It was by a guy's house. It was a 30-something inch log. Good. He told me it was a really good log. Well, I got there, we got about 12 foot of good log. The top part of the tree was full of knots. I mean, there's limbs sticking out everywhere. But we done had everything loaded up. We was done there, so we went ahead and cleaned it up and picked up the log for the guys and got it out of there. I'm helping a friend of mine that he calls me when he's got trees down. He's a tree service. But this guy here does not have nothing to load it. So I had to go bring my tractor over there and we got it all loaded up. But this kind of tree you usually don't mess with because it's got too many logs or too many knots, too many limbs sticking out. They're everywhere. But guys, it makes beautiful 1x12s. That's all it's really good for is your 1x12s. Anything other than that, it ain't no good for nothing. There's too many knots. Your 2x4s and 2x6, they'll break. But for 1x12s, it makes some pretty boards. Let me show you. After we got through fighting with it, I got a little clip in there. I'll show you some of the knots sticking out, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like after we get it cut down. All right, this is regular 1x12. It's clear, very few knots. They're still pretty boards, but the ones with the knots in it look way better. That's Wayne on the LT15 over here. He's getting her done. All right, this is the bad knotty log Steven's fighting with over here. He's on the LT40. Knots sticking out everywhere. He finally got them all cut down. This is some of the stuff that come off of it. big old knot, dirty. Not your choice log. I'm gonna show you what these 1x12s look like when he cuts into them. Tell y'all we got a mess. It rained over here. It's getting deeper and deeper all the time. It's a muddy mess. Oh, but it's fun playing in the mud. Guys, this is what I'm talking about, knotty logs. See all them big knots in them logs? Same thing right here. They're not good for anything else but 1x12 or post. They make really good 1x12s. Wayne said he's got to watch his grip close. Keeps plugging up on him.